Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing our hair. I am going to show you guys a few of my favorite ways to style my hair when I wear it straight / wavy. So if you guys want to see a video on how I style my curly hair, like different ways I wear that, let me know down below. But today we're going to focus more on like the straight, messy, wavy type of hair situation. If you guys need some ideas on how to style your hair, especially for school is right around the corner. We're already like end of July, so these are very easy to do for school as well, very school appropriate. If you guys want to see how I style my hair, then just keep on watching. Okay, so first hairstyle is wearing it down. I gotta be honest, this is the hairstyle that I wear probably 90% of the time. I'll tuck it behind my ear. That can change the look up, but obviously, yes, this is the easiest hairstyle. But for this video, we're gonna spice things up. So I'm gonna take the top section of hair and I'm gonna go right above the eyebrows and go straight back just to collect that top hair, including the bangs. And what we're gonna do is grab one of those little elastic ties. I use the black ones just because I'm a brunette, but if you're blonde, they do have clear ones, which I would recommend using. And just like a ponytail, we're just gonna tie that top section. And I kind of flip the hair to the sides of my head, like here. And this is like a really cute, I feel like edgy, I feel like I should be at a concert type of look. And it's so simple and it looks like you spent so much time when really it's just you pulled your bangs back. And I always get those little, fuzzies, but what are you going to do? But moving on, before you remove this, I would suggest using a teasing comb, yes, but I was in a hurry. I didn't want to leave my filming station, and I didn't have one handy. And I'm going to be honest, like the spoolie worked pretty good. So all you want to do is just tease the hair, and again, grab another one of those elastics, and you're basically going to just twirl the hair around itself. It's not going to look cute the first time you do it. I mean, if you do, kudos to you, but I always have to work it a little bit for it to look decent. But just for extra security, we're just going to tie that hair with that elastic. And then here's where I go in with a couple bobby pins and just kind of mold the little bun as to how I want it to look. I think I use like 3 or 4 bobby pins. So once you get it to your desired preference, oh, and by the way, my lips inspired by my shirt. And this, again, if you have a teasing comb, use this, but I'm just trying to give myself a little bit more lift at the roots, just to kind of even out the top of the head, because you have like all of this hair at the top and like the sides are so flat. So I just want a little bit of volume. So just tease there. This is totally optional if you're not into teasing your hair. I just wanted a little bit more lift. And I feel like this look, I should be going to Coachella. You know what I mean? Here is where I struggle a little bit. Now, I will be honest, again, I typically just cut these out just because they're a pain to get them out of your hair. They rip your hair out, but I don't know what I was thinking. I was not prepared to film this video, but I usually just cut those out. And to do this next hairstyle, we are going to use just a regular hair tie for this one. And we're going right to the end of our brows and taking back the top section of hair. This is going to be more of like a half up, half down do. And I'm going to turn around and show you guys what I do. But I do somewhat of a bun, but I don't finish and pull the hair through at the end. Like, see right there? I didn't pull all the way just because it gives it more of like a messy vibe, which I like. I mean, you can definitely pull all the hair through if you want to do like a ponytail, half up, half down, but I like the messy bun. And then again, just, go ahead and pin back any pieces that you don't want. If you want to keep all the bangs back, you can do that too. But just to give this more of like a flirty vibe, I just like the pieces in the front to frame my face. And my bangs never curl right naturally, so I always have to take a wand. I wrap it around and just drag it all the way down. Like, I barely leave that wand on the hair. Just because I want kind of like more looser curls in the front with the bangs. And again, just go ahead and secure everything with bobby pins. And that's this look. I feel like this one is like more feminine. Like, I feel like I should be in a sundress with this one, I don't know why. Am I the only one who thinks certain hairstyles you could wear with like certain clothes? Again, just to show you guys the back. And I feel like that one bobby pin sticking out bothers me, but what are you going to do? That's why they make them to blend in with your hair. So moving right along, we're going to go ahead and remove the hair ties and the bobby pins. And for this one, we are just going to take the hair all the way straight up, and we're just going to do just your basic ponytail. I feel like every girl can pull this off. This is perfect for school, because I know with me, like when I was in school, just like looking down, trying to write on your desk, I hated all my hair in my face. You know what I mean? So this I just wanted to include. I'm pretty sure everybody knows how to do a ponytail, but I prefer to wear mine a little bit more higher up. And I don't think I used bobby pins here. Did I? No, I don't think I did. Of course, my little bangs are like poking up in the front, but I kind of like that look. And then I just pull out the pieces just to make it a little bit more messy and not so slicked back. But yeah, basic ponytail. Had to include that in this video. So before we remove this hair tie, for the next hairstyle, you will just go ahead and wrap the hair around itself. And we're just going to do more of like a high bun. And honestly, you can use one of those sock buns too. I just have a pretty decent amount of hair where I can just wrap it around and the size still be pretty good. Of course, and I'm not going to joke here, I probably have, I'm not kidding, probably about 20 bobby pins in this hairstyle just because the bun, I didn't want it to weigh down. But if I included all that footage, we'd be here pretty much all night. So just use as many bobby pins as you need and go ahead and tuck away any pieces if you're like me and have, you know, those little curls trying to sneak out, those little baby hairs. But I do like to pull the hair right in front of my ear. I don't know why I like that, but I always do that when I wear my hair up. And this is just the next hairstyle. Basic bun. Now, say you're at work and you have the bun in your hair and you're going out a night on the town, maybe you got a date, something along those lines, and you want to spice this look up. If you just pull out your bangs and bring pieces down, I swear it changes the whole look. And then, of course, I have to curl my bangs, so I'm just going to take the wand and pull it and drag it down the hair pretty quickly. But anything with, like, this is just my opinion, but anything with hair like framing the face, I just feel like it gives it more like a flirtatious type of vibe. You know what I mean? And then I'll just go ahead and pull down a couple more pieces. But yeah, this is more of like a professional, like classy type of look. If I had to choose, I would like to have, you know, face coming down or hair coming down on my face rather than my hair all slicked back, if I had to decide. And for that hairstyle, we just removed the bun and kept the pieces down. So the first ponytail was with no pieces. This one is just that high ponytail again. And again, I just pulled out those bangs and curled them and secured it with a couple bobby pins. And yes, I really like the hairstyles with the pieces. Maybe just because my face shape, I don't know. Again, easy for school, gym class, you know, all that fun stuff. Yeah, this is what it looks like behind the scenes. Okay, so for this one, we're going to go ahead and do a middle part. You can do a side part. And again, I'm not being precise on my parts. You know, I just do the best I can. And what we're going to do is just slick all the hair back. So I'm starting by putting it all behind my ears. It's just easier for me to get all the hair back. And then from there, we're just taking another hair tie, just a regular one. And we're doing more of a low ponytail for this one. This one's good for the gym because there's no pieces flying in your face. Everything's slicked back, you know, out of like your face, just flopping around. So I highly recommend this one. I usually do this one like when I'm working out, just for those purposes. And again, I'm just taking bobby pins and securing everything in place. And then I'm just taking some Silk and Shine serum just to tame any flyaways that I have and give it more of a little bit of a shine. I just feel like this completes the look, you know. And there goes my bangs popping out as usual. Where would I be without bobby pins? Like if you're a girl with layered hair, like, and you know, you never can have enough. I always find them around, but like when I need them, they're never to be found. But yeah, that's just a basic low ponytail. Anybody honestly can pull this one off and it's super easy. I just like it slicked back with the middle part. I feel like it adds a little bit more sophistication. And then for the final hairstyle, we are just going to go ahead, keep it in a low ponytail, and I'm just going to do a braid, just a basic braid. If you want to do a fishtail, it would probably be really cute with a fishtail, but I don't have the patience for that. But if you're good with braids, do any type of braid that you want. I'm just doing your basic braid, and then I'll show you in a minute what we're going to do with that. And before this video, like, I haven't braided in so long, like, I actually had to do that 3 times. I just cut it out. But, like, when you don't use it, you lose it, you know? And then I'm just taking one of those elastics again just to tie it. Again, if you have lighter hair, I would use the clear ones. And then I'm just pulling on the braid just to make it a little bit more thicker and messier. And then, kind of like we did earlier, we're going to wrap the hair around itself. And did you guys see the size of that hair tie? I can only find them at Target. They're like an extra large hair tie. They're great if you have thick hair, if you wear extensions. Highly recommend those hair ties. Again, I can only find them at Target. But we'll just wrap it around there, and for extra support, or for extra secureness, I don't even know if that's a word, but we're just going to go ahead, bobby pin that back. And this is a low bun, but because we braided it, I don't even think I show you guys it, but up close, it's so pretty because of all that braid detail. But yeah, guys, that's it. These are all of my hairstyles. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thumbs up, subscribe, leave any comments down below, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!